English step by step. This is how real researchers combine small bugs into a big impact. Real bug bounty chain example, web bug, account takeover, server access. We'll use a realistic SaaS company scenario. Company has website, API, admin dashboard, cloud server. Next, step 1, small bug, IDOR found. Researcher finds, you can see the code in our conversation history. When logged in as user A, ID equals 723, it works. He changes ID. You can see the code in our conversation history and it returns user B's data. This is IDOR, broken access control. Impact. So far, view other users' information, medium severity, but researcher thinks deeper. Step 2, find admin account via IDOR. He enumerates IDs. You can see the code in our conversation history. Response shows, you can see the code in our conversation history. Now attacker knows admin email, admin user ID, still no password, but useful info. Step 3, password reset, logic. Bug researcher checks password reset. You can see the code in our conversation history. Bug, API only checks if user is logged in, not whether user owns that account. Because of earlier IDOR, attacker knows admin ID equals 1. He sends, you can see the code in our conversation history. Password changed successfully. Now attacker logs in as admin. Account takeover of superadmin. Severity now, critical. Step 4, admin panel access. Inside admin dashboard, there is upload plugin feature. It allows zip upload. Researcher uploads malicious PHP file inside zip. Server extracts it. Now attacker accesses. You can see the code in our conversation history. Gets remote command execution. Now attacker has server shell web server access. Step 5, privilege escalation server is running outdated. Linux researcher finds known local privilege escalation bug. Exploits it. Now, web user root access, full server control. Final impact. From one small IDOR, attacker achieved admin account takeover, remote code execution, root access, full database dump, access to all customer data. Why this is realistic. Bug bounty reports often look like this. Broken access control, logic flaw, admin takeover, file upload, RCE, privilege escalation, chain of small bugs, massive impact. Check why companies pay high bounty individually. IDOR, medium, logic bug, file upload, misconfig, medium. Together, critical full system compromise. Researchers get 5,000 to 20,000 plus depending on impact. Key lesson, never think, this bug is small. Attackers chain vulnerabilities. Security works in layers. Visual flow, you can see the code in our conversation history. Final understanding. Real bug bounty chains are about creativity, connecting dots, thinking like attacker, combining small weaknesses. If you want next, I can explain. Real ransomware attack chain, simple. Real bug